So are you unable to download the Tello app on your Android device or crashing? Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick fix on how to download it and as well as some demo with the Tello drone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right out into it and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Please help me with my channel growth. Now let's get started. So first what you want to do is type in Dji Tello APK in your browser, and then it will pop up this DJI page right over here just like this. Then you just need to press the download Android APK button and it will start downloading. Here are a couple pop-ups. You just need to press download throughout all of them, and then it will just say open file. But here's the thing is that Samsung actually blocks install from unknown apps, so you have to actually allow the permission to it. So you just need to press allow just like this, and then you can press install right here. Now, it will also say that unknown app is blocked and you need to turn off auto blocker from your settings. So just head on over to your settings just like this, and then search for security and privacy. And then scroll down and you will find the auto blocker feature. You just need to turn it off. You just need to put your PIN, Face ID, or biometrics just like that. And then go all the way back and go into your downloads folder in your files app. And then just click on the APK again and then install it. And now with newer Android devices, it will also show this Google Play Protected app. You just need to press more details and then select install anyway, just like that. And then it will ask you for your biometrics again, and it will just simply install just like that. It's pretty simple and easy. Now you can just open the Tello app and you are ready to fly. Now there are a couple of steps you are required to do before flying, so you have to agree to their terms of use, and then you have to allow some permissions such as your photos, all that stuff, location, and then now you just want to press to connect Tello. Now you just need to take your drone and then just press the power button on the side, hold it for a couple seconds until it turns on just like that. Wait for it to initialize first. It will do like a yellow blinking light, and then it will pop up in your Wi-Fi just like this. Alright, now it has popped up. It will say Tello, and just like that, you just need to connect it. And then it will say always connect. And then just go back into your Tello app. You can just press back just like this. And then here we have the live stream started on our video just like this. You can see the camera is moving just like that. And now let's take flight. So we can just press the quick takeoff button, and there we go. Now let me show you another feature that you can do, which is the throw and go mode. And you just need to basically throw the drone and it will start flying on its own just like this. That is so impressive and cool. And you can even land it in your palm as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment down below on any questions you have. So see you guys next time.